When it comes to rat rod drag racing, overheating is a constant challenge. These wild, home-built machines often push engines far beyond their limits, demanding inventive cooling solutions that stray from conventional designs. Instead of relying on factory radiators, many builders turn to creative, do-it-yourself methods, using whatever materials they can scavenge. Old beer kegs are transformed into pressurized coolant tanks, while copper tubing salvaged from discarded air conditioners is carefully coiled around the engine bay, serving as effective makeshift heat exchangers. Large electric fans, pulled from junkyard sedans, are rewired to run continuously, pulling air through custom-cut grills to maximize airflow. Some racers repurpose metal buckets as overflow reservoirs, and others install simple water misting systems, garden sprayers aimed at the radiator and activated by a dash-mounted switch, to cool the engine during intense runs. Each cooling setup is uniquely tailored to the car's quirks, blending necessity with raw ingenuity. This hands-on approach reflects the true spirit of rat rod culture, overcoming obstacles with resourcefulness, keeping the engine running cool, and never letting overheating slow you down on race day.